Meaning of eye.
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 Eye. The word eye has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. At its most basic level, an eye is an organ found in animals that allows them to see and perceive their surroundings. The word can also refer to the act of looking at something or someone, as in keeping an eye on things. Additionally, the word eye can be used in phrases like, the apple of my eye, to express feelings of affection or admiration. In summary, the meaning of eye can vary depending on the situation and how it is being used.